today we are going to discuss why the 2022 Volvo XC90 is not worth buying. There are two major reasons why the Volvo XC90 is not worth the costs. Also, please consider subscribing. As of now, we do not have any subscribers, and we will subscribe back to anyone who subscribes to us in under 24 hours. Now, we must say the XC90 is a great three-row luxury vehicle, has good looks, and has a fantastic interior. Let's begin. The first major reason why the Volvo XC90 is not worth buying is its depreciation. If you are leasing the vehicle, it is fine, but if you are purchasing it, the XC90 has one of the highest depreciation rates among most luxury vehicles. As you can see this chart and table from CarEdge, the XC90 can lose around $12,000 of its value in just 1 year. Thus, the 2022 Volvo XC90 is not worth buying, but may be worth leasing. Also, this connects to our second major reason why the Volvo XC90 must not be bought, because this is the last model year for the Volvo XC90. Next year, Volvo will be replacing the Volvo XC90 with a fully electric model with a new nameplate. As a result, the XC90 could lose its value twice as fast. If you have the time to wait, we recommend you to wait for this new Volvo based on the Volvo Concept Recharge. It will arrive in late 2022 or early 2023. It will be running a new interface by Google and will have autonomous technology powered by LiDAR. It will also have all the cool things that come with an electric vehicle, such as fast speed. Now, if you cannot wait a year, we would recommend you look at other models from other luxury competitors or lease the XC90. The closest gasoline competitor to the XC90 is the Acura MDX. The closest hybrid competitor to the XC90 is the Kia Sorento plug-in hybrid, but that is not a luxury competitor. The closest fully electric competitor to the XC90 is the Tesla Model X, but for that you may still have to wait well into 2022, because Tesla is updating the Model X, and shipping dates have been pushed into March 2022 as of now. Overall, the 2022 Volvo XC90 is definitely not worth buying, so you should look at other options, wait until next year, or lease it. Thank you for watching The Car Father. We would really appreciate being subscribed to, and we will subscribe back to you if you do so.